Okay, good afternoon to all. So this is Selvam from National Technology and Department of Computer Engineering. So now we are going to see about the example for XML schema. So previous, so we just saw about what is XML schema and how the elements are divided and how the elements are defined in XML documents. Okay, so now we are going to see about the example. Okay, so first thing, so this code is a simple XML programming. Okay, so we have to store the XML file name dot XML. So this is the student dot XML. So in this XML code, we have a student as the root element. Okay, so in this root element, we have a child element called roll number and name and result. So we have to define the own tags for XML document. So this is the simple XML document. So how these XML documents contribute to XML schema file. Okay, so this XML file is saved as a .xml, but in XML schema file saved as .xsv. File name .xsv. So in this file, so students.xsv file. Okay, so this is the first line of XML code versions, and these we have to implement the XML schema lines in XS schema. So each XML schema line will start with XML elements. This is called XML line space. So why we use this XML line space means these keyword is used to identify the links. So what are the XML files are going to control different links. These links are updated to the XML links. Okay. So next is XML element. So this XML element is the root element. So this is we are using this student as a root element. So this code is called as a complex type element because we have a root element and we have a child element. So that it is a complex type of XML schema. So we need to define whether this program is a complex type or a simple type program. So I am going to define that this program is complex type program. Okay. So the complex type is defined here. Then the XML schema is started. The XML element is produced. So this element is called as child element. So this schema is root element. Okay. So the root element is taken from student file. The student file is continuously supporting the child element. So here the child element is roll number, name and result. So the roll number is an integer. So the data type is the XS integer. So before video as I said the different data types are called XS schemas. So next one name. So the name is contained with XS strings and result is cost. So these are the characters. So we are going to use XML schemas string characters. Okay. So this is how. So one XML file is converted into XML code, XML schema code. Okay. So now next we have to see about XML namespaces. So what is XML namespaces means? So now we are going to see about XML namespace. So what is XML namespace means? It is duplication. It is called as simply duplication. So we have to list the different XML documents at one time. So it is avoid the conflict. So conflict means avoiding the duplication. So it is useful to avoid duplications. Okay. So in this XML space, we have a set of rules, a set of attributes. So in this XML namespace, identify the URI, uniform resource identifiers. Okay, uniform resource identifiers. Okay, so in this URI, we have two categories. URL, URN. So URL means uniform resource locators. URN is uniform resource namespace. Okay, URL and URN. So we have only URN. So this is URN means uniform resource namespaces. So each and every attributes in these XML namespaces monitor and watch carefully because of white spaces and namespaces are very important of config. Suppose we have a HTML code as well as XML code. HTML code like we have suppose table name table and here and again goes the table. Again XML code table register number again table closed. So in this case, so when we are going to take the web designing or web development, so here root calculation table, XML also have a table. So this is the two elements are same in table. So this is that the web designing or web development it is confused which one we are going to take executed whether HTML or XML. So in this case we have to use one type of context that is called whenever we have to design an element we have to use h.table, h.dr and h.table again h.table code. Again coming from XML code we have to use x.table, x.number, x.column and x.table. So this is how